Welcome to today's culinary celebration. I'm Duey C.K, your animated chef, and we're diving into the vibrant world of Cinco de Mayo with a delicious taco recipe and a sprinkle of cultural insights. First, let's celebrate the flavors. For the perfect taco, start with fresh corn tortillas. Heat them on a skillet until they're slightly charred and pliable. For the filling, we're going with a classic combination: marinated grilled chicken. Mix lime juice, garlic, cumin, chili powder, and a touch of olive oil. Let the chicken marinate for at least 30 minutes, then grill until juicy and tender. Slice it thinly and set aside. Now let's add layers of flavor with toppings. Finely chop onions, cilantro, and tomatoes. Don't forget a squeeze of lime and a dash of salt for that zesty pico de gallo. For a creamy twist, whip up a quick avocado crema by blending ripe avocados, lime juice, garlic, and sour cream. Spread this generously on your tortillas before adding the chicken and pico de gallo. Garnish with crumbled queso fresco and enjoy. But wait, there's more. Cinco de Mayo isn't just about food. It's a day to commemorate the Mexican Army's victory over the French at the Battle of Puebla in 1862. This holiday celebrates Mexican heritage and pride, and what better way to honor it than through its rich culinary traditions? So, tie on your apron, gather your ingredients, and let's make this Cinco de Mayo a flavorful fiesta to remember.